GSL 48V 8kV ampere hybrid solar inverter is the ideal choice of your home power system. Connecting solar and battery storage with the grid for backup power and energy security. It's compatible with GSL lithium-ion batteries. It comes with a quality integrated MPPT charge controller and Wi-Fi monitor. Its comprehensive LCD display offers user-configurable and easy accessible button operation, such as battery charging, AC solar charging, and acceptable input voltage based on different applications.